Check it, check, 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 check. This is the manifest. What? This is the manifest. This is the manifest. What you got to say? You got a song that's controversial, eh? You're Canadian, white, Caucasian, and still skateboarding until I recorded it. We're not here trying to bring you down. We're just trying to figure you out. Well, I was only 18 when I bust on my head. When I slipped off a ledge and fell on my head. I got stuck in a bed with a pad and a pen. I had a voice in my head and this is what it said. Right now, right down, write your feelings out. Rhyme on a song loud, put my words in style. Find out why my people are crying out. Reach out with hip-hop, skateboard, it's your crowd. Now is the time, now is the sign. Now say it loud, little pet of mine. It's over now, you're older now. I'll flow right through you, let's show them how. Bounce if you wanna just bounce and bounce and move. If you wanna just move and move. So all the B-boys, B-girls hit the floor. Here we go now. Let's go, let's go. Bounce if you wanna just bounce and move. If you wanna just move and move. Come on, B-boys, B-girls hit the floor. Here we go now. Let's go, let's go. They said it couldn't be done. I said we up and tried. I white skateboarder kid, blew up the minds. Take the music of the box like I would. Stop my Jericho walls and stretch your lungs. I'd wanna know if I was walking down the wrong road. Once you would tell me how my eyes. I watch what I eat since supersized me. Since the internet, MySpace be the end thing. I talk in my sleep like I'm walking a dream. I cling to the cross, who's Lord and the King. You think I'm crazy, they think I'm crazy. Test drive the baby, it rides amazing. Still skating for real, not the same guy. I slide to the front of the stage, hands high. Bounce if you wanna just bounce and move. If you wanna just move and move. Come on, my B-boys, B-girls on the floor. Here we go, let's go, let's go. Bounce if you wanna just bounce and move. If you wanna just move and move. So all the B-boys, B-girls hit the floor. Here we go, let's go. Everyone gather round. I think we should announce that it is time to bounce. While you're moving that left and your right foot, it's better now that you're hooked with the right book. I mean, you could do anything, anything. They told me not to rap or sing a thing. I failed music, they said don't do it. I put down acoustics and started a movement. I rhyme like an air flare up in your face, hold an air chair. Flow at my pace. If I can do it, you can do it. If you can do it, they can do it. If we can do it, what we're doing, let's start moving. Bounce if you wanna just bounce and move. If you wanna just move and move. So all the B-boys, B-girls hit the floor. Here we